What's up guys, and welcome to the 25th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. In this tutorial, it's all about the Extern Storage Class. So without further ado, let's start the video. But before we do that, let's just go into detail of what Extern really is. So the Extern Storage Class declares external variables that haven't yet been defined. Usually an extern declaration refers to a variable defined in a different translation unit. An extern variable declaration may be inside or outside the function that references the external variables. If the variable is outside, then all functions in the translation unit following the declaration can reference the external variable. Otherwise, only functions that contain the external declaration can reference the variable. Okay, so we can say void accumulate amount. Parentheses there. Close that off. So int main extern float amount. Next line is to say accumulate amount. So just copy this, paste that there, parentheses, close that off, std cout, print the amount out, close that off, and now say float amount. Close that off again, void accumulate, just paste that there, parentheses, and say amount equals £5.70 or just whatever, equals 5.75 or some whatever. Okay, let's compile this, execute this, see what we get. But before we do that, save it and run through the program. So we have a program here that says extern float amount, which literally just means an extern variable declaration. So here, this is just an extern variable declaration. Where it says float amount, this is now an extern variable definition. So let's execute this to see what we get. Hopefully we should just get 5.75. There you go. Execute that again and see what we get. Hopefully 5.75 with just a space. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.